Top tips for using Sky Glass. As you're getting to know your Sky Glass, here are some top tips to try out. Say, "Hello Sky," to use the built-in hands-free voice control and go directly to what you're looking for. Hello Sky, TV Guide. Hello Sky, Home. Ready to get back to recent channels, apps, or shows? Scroll left on your home screen to see your recent activity. This is also where you'll find all the devices you have connected by HDMI. In the TV Guide, press left to view the channels by category. Press and hold right to jump ahead up to 7 days. While you're watching live TV, you can see information about what's on now and next. Scroll up and down to see what's on the next channels in the TV Guide. Or enter a number to see what's on that channel. Distracted while watching TV? Use the play and pause button to pause what you're watching. To rewind what you're watching, press left. And to fast forward, press right. Press again to speed up. And when you want to watch again, just press play. To skip to a particular part of a show, press and hold left to move backwards or right to move forwards. If you're watching TV late at night, you can select Night Mode. Turning this on will reduce the volume and extreme sounds. Make sure you get the best Sky Glass experience, including the fastest switch-on time, by checking you have Enhanced Experience switched on in Settings. Don't forget, you can view your bill, manage your account, and more in My Sky. Lost your remote? You don't need to search under your sofa cushions. Just say, "Hello Sky, find my remote," and your remote will start to beep. For more information, go to sky.com/help or say "My Sky" to your Sky Glass.